Memorandum of Understanding, MO, between International Institute of INFLUENCERS 3, ahli dan dosen Republik Indonesia, ADRI, on Strategic COLLABORATION for Academic Development, Women's Empowerment, and Education DIGITALIZATION, ARTICLE 1, PARTIES. International Institute of Influencers 3, an institution focused on developing a global community of influencers, leadership, and education based on life skills, headquartered in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, represented by Prof. Dr. Sama Hussein, as founder and president of 3, hereinafter referred to as FES PARTY. Ahli dan dosen Republik Indonesia ADRI, a professional organization that brings together academics, lecturers, and experts from various disciplines in Indonesia, represented by Prof. Dr. Ahmad Fatoni Rotli, as chairman of ADRI, hereinafter referred to as second PARTY. ARTICLE 2, BACKGROUND. Both parties share the same objectives in empowering academics, improving the quality of education, and utilizing digital technology and artificial intelligence in education and leadership. Therefore, this MO is established to build a strategic partnership in the following field: strengthening academics and lecturers through global training and mentorship programs, digitalization of education and AI integration in learning and research, empowering women in academia, entrepreneurship, and leadership, collaboration in international conferences and scientific publications, developing academic networking and international mobility for Indonesian academics. ARTICLE 3, OBJECTIVAS of the COLLABORATION. Both parties agree to collaborate in the following areas: organizing training and workshops for academics and influencers on leadership, digital literacy, and education innovation. Implementing the Cabai model learning method with artificial intelligence developed by ADRI into its training programs. Providing access for Indonesian academics to participate in the global influencer community managed by 3. Developing mentorship and international certification programs for Indonesian lecturers and academics. Facilitating international scientific publications through collaboration with journals and global conferences. Conducting women's empowerment programs for female academics and entrepreneurs in digital leadership. Enhancing academic mobility and international research collaboration between ADRI and 3. ARTICLE 4, SCOPE of COLLABORATION. Collaboration in academic and leadership programs. 3 and ADRI will develop an AI-based digital education curriculum. Organizing academic leadership programs for lecturers and professionals. Enhancing academic capacity through digitalization and AI. Implementing AI in learning and academic assessment processes. Utilizing digital platforms for interactive teaching. Empowering women academics and professionals. Conducting special training programs for female academics in leadership and entrepreneurship. Building a global female academic network through 3 and ADRI. Collaboration in international conferences and scientific publications. Organizing joint international seminars and conferences. Publishing research result in internationally indexed scientific journals. Development of academic networking and mobility. Facilitating academic exchanges between Indonesia and international institutions through 3. Promoting research collaboration between ADRI lecturers and international scholar. ARTICLE 5, RESPONSIBILITIES of the PARTIES. Responsibilities of the FES PARTY 3. Provide global access for ADRI academics to participate in the international influencer community. Offer training, certification, and mentorship for Indonesian academics and lecturers. Connect ADRI academics with global education and industry networks. Organize international academic leadership conferences and programs. Responsibilities of the second PARTY ADRI. Develop an AI-based learning model to be implemented in IS programs. Facilitate academics and lecturers in participating in training, research, and international collaborations. Organize international seminars, conferences, and scientific publications involving global academics. Encourage Indonesian academics to become academic influencers in the digital world. ARTICLE 6, DURATION of the COLLABORATION. This MOU is valid for 5 years from the date of signing. The MOU may be extended by mutual agreement through a written addendum. The MOU may be terminated earlier by mutual agreement or if either party fails to fulfill its obligations. ARTICLE 7, CLOSINGPROVISIONS. Both parties agree to support each other in implementing this collaboration program. This MOU is non-exclusive and does not create any financial obligation unless specified in a separate agreement for specific programs. In case of any dispute regarding the implementation of this MOU, both parties agree to resolve it through mutual discussion. This MOU is signed in 2 copies, in English and Indonesian, with each party holding 1 copy that has equal legal force. SIGNED garis bawah 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 in garis bawah 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 garis bawah. First PARTY Prof. Dr. Sama Hussein, Presiden dan Founder of International Institute of Influencers 3. Second PARTY Prof. Dr. Ahmad Fatoni Rotli, Chairman of Ahli dan Dosen Republik Indonesia ADRI. This MOU outlines a strategic collaboration between TIGA and ADRI to enhance education, digital transformation, and women's empowerment on a global scale. If there are any modifications or additions needed, please let me know. Implementation Plan and Strategy for Executing the TIGA dan ADRI MOU. 1. MOU Implementation Plan. To realize the strategic collaboration between the International Institute of Influencers 3 and the Ahli dan Dosen Republik Indonesia ADRI, this implementation plan outlines concrete steps to be taken in both the short term and long term. A. Implementation Steps. Formation of the TIGA dan ADRI Joint Implementation Team. Signing of Cooperation Agreements PKS for each program. Development of curriculum and training modules based on AI and digitalization. Organization of international conferences and joint webinars. Implementation of mentorship and the academic influencer program. Capacity building for academics through certification programs and international research. Monitoring and evaluation of each program's progress. B. Key Success Indicators. Number of academics participating in training programs. Number of research collaborations conducted between TIGA and ADRI. Number of scientific publications produced through this collaboration. Number of students and academics actively engaged in the academic influencer program. 2. Program Execution Strategy. A. Education Digitalization and AI Program. Development of the Cabai model as an AI-based learning framework. Creation of a joint e-learning platform between TIGA and ADRI. Implementation of training for lecturers and academics on AI integration in education. B. Academic and Influencer Empowerment Program. Workshop on Academic Influencer for lecturers and students. Digital Leadership Training. Utilizing social media as an academic and research publication tool. C. Scientific Publications and Joint Research Program. Establishment of an internationally managed scientific journal. Organizing annual academic seminars and conferences. Research grant facilitation for collaboration between Indonesian and international academics. 3. Joint Project Proposal. To support the success of this collaboration, EE and ADRI will develop key strategic projects that can be implemented practically. A. Academic Influencer Project. Intensive training for lecturers on building academic personal branding. Workshops on digitalization strategies for research and teaching. Development of an academic influencer curriculum for educational institutions. B. AI Development in Education Project. Development of AI chatbots to assist university learning. Integration of AI in academic evaluation systems. Launch of AI-based learning application. C. Scientific Publication and Research Collaboration Project. Publication of books and scientific journals based on TIGA dan ADRI collaboration research. Organization of annual academic conferences at the international level. Workshops on international journal writing for researchers and academics. 4. Collaboration Roadmap. This roadmap is designed to ensure that the collaboration between TIGA and ADRI progresses according to the planned stages. YR1. Initiation Phase. Signing of the Cooperation Agreement. Formation of the Implementation Team and Working Committee. Launch of Initial Academic Influencer and Education Digitalization Programs. YR2-3. Implementation Phase. Execution of training and mentorship programs. Increase in the number of scientific publications and joint journals. Implementation of the AI-based e-learning platform. YR4-5. Evaluation and expansion phase. Evaluation of the impact of ongoing programs. Development of academic and industry networks. Expansion of programs to a global scale through partnerships with international institutions. This implementation plan and execution strategy aim to ensure the successful realization of TIGA and ADRI's academic development, education, digitalization, and influencer empowerment initiatives.